Hello everyone, welcome to IntelliFi. My name is Shampriti Patro. Today I am going to discuss about question number 4, mathematics, exercise number 1.1. So, the question number 4 is find the multiplicative inversion of the following. So, first question is the minus 13. According to the theory, we have known that if the two numbers will be a and b, and the multiplication inverse will be the a and b, the multiplication of the inversion, the first integer and the another inverse of that same integer becomes 1. That means a into b is equals to 1. So the question is that minus 13. So if we have to find out the multiplicative inversion of this number, if we thought that the x is the multiplication inversion of the minus 13, so it becomes that x equals to 1 by minus 13, because I have told that a into b equals to 1. Since in that process, if we thought that a is minus 13, then x will be the b. So a into b equals to 1. By that process, minus 13 into x equals to 1. So x equals to 1 by minus 13. So that the multiplicative inversion of minus 13 is minus 1 by 13. I hope you all can understand. Next question is the minus 13 by 19. According to multiplicative inversion rule, we know that x into minus 13 by 19 equals to 1 if x is the multiplicative inversion of minus 13 by 19. So if we solve this equation, the x equals to minus 19 by 13. So then if you again for clarification, you can also multiply this minus 13 by 19 into minus 19 by 13. That results will be the 1. Okay, so the results will be the minus 19 by 13 is the multiplication inversion of the minus 13 by 19. Okay, next question is question number 3. In question number 3, the question is 1 by 5 to find out the multiplicative inversion. So according that process, x into 1 by 5 equals to 1, then the multiplicative inversion will be the 5. Okay, so the result will be the 5 is the multiplication inversion of the 1 by 5. Next is the question number 4, minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. If I have to do the multiply, then the result will be negative, and this negative sign and this negative sign become positive, and the 5 into 3 equals to 15, and then 8 into 7 equals to 56. So in this number I have to find the multiplicative inversion. So according to previous rule, we thought that x is the multiplication inversion of the 15 by 56. So x into 15 by 56 equals to 1, and then x equals to 56 by 15. Then it will be the multiplicative inversion of these numbers. Okay. Then the question number 5. In this case, you can see that there are two numbers in multiplication way. This is another thing that minus 1 and minus 1, it is minus 1, and this is minus 2 by 5. So again it becomes minus minus plus. So we can write that 2 by 5 is a positive number. Positive 2 by 5 into x equals to 1. Then x equals to 5 by 2. So the 5 by 2 is the multiplication inversion of that thing. That means minus 1 into minus 2 by 5. Okay. Next is the question number 6. This part, that means minus 1. Minus 1 is the only one integer that has that is the one number which is own reciprocal. That means the reciprocal number and the number is same. Okay. And here I am discussing the multiplicative inversion. So that if again according to the previous theory, x into minus 1 equals to 1, so the x will be the minus 1. So that if we multiply the minus 1 into minus 1, then it becomes the 1. So that the multiplicative inversion of the minus 1 is minus 1, its own self. Okay, it can be comes in your exams by fill in the blanks or short type question. So please remember these things. So thank you very much. I hope you all can understand this question number 4, all types of things. I hope it will help you in future also. Thank you very much.